So today I'm working on installing my front and rear bumper, BISON bumper for my 2016 Honda Rubicon. So the main reasons why I bought these bumpers was I got rear-ended ATVing the other day. I put a huge crack in my plastics. Well, a buddy ran into me and his winch put a big crack in this plastic. So it goes all the way pretty much underneath those wiring right there. So I'm hoping a few zip ties will fix that and should be okay. But there's the rear bumper there. And there's the front. So we'll see how it all lines up here. So I kind of have the front bumper sitting on there now. Just looking at it for the first time. It looks pretty good. One thing I don't like is how far it sticks out of the stock bumper. It just goes right into that bar there, those tabs. And then it just connects down there to the skid plate mounts to. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to try and take the stock bumper off and maybe cut these bars here almost in half with all new brackets right here. I'm trying to bring this bar over to there. So it all depends if I can take the old stock bumper off without compromising the rack too much. So I'll have to undo it there and there, which supports the rack. So I'm hoping these will be strong enough once they're shortened. I got the back bumper on now too. It's pretty simple. Just the 4 bolts. The one thing I don't really like about it though is when you access the back, it doesn't open up all the way, which isn't a huge deal, but you can still put your hand in there. But not ideal. I also fixed my crack, so it's not too bad. Better than I thought. So yeah, and I guess the next step is to see if I can take this bumper off. Just working on taking the winch off here. It's pretty muddy. So I got the front bumper installed now, winch installed. So I'm pretty happy with it. Overall, it makes the quad 6 inches longer and 39 pounds heavier. So it's kind of a downside to the bumpers. I'd like to figure out a way to get rid of this stock bumper though. That involves cutting it right there, which I'm not really too keen on doing, and then shortening these tabs on the BISON. But then just putting on a more of an angle on those mounts, which would be easy to do. I'm also going to have to, I think I'm going to change or stiffen up my Elka shocks. Just to adjust for the extra weight. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Seems pretty sturdy.